Hello everyone and welcome to another video from the New York City Welcome Center. It's me, tour guide Jeremiah, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the student clubs and organizations Pace University has to offer for you and some of the student orgs I've been a part of in my time at Pace University. So first things first, the two organizations that I joined on campus as soon as I got there were the Political Science Society and the Residence Hall Association. I'll talk about the Residence Hall Association first. RHA, or the Residence Hall Association, is an organization on campus dedicated for students who choose to live in the residence halls. It also works with commuter students and transfer students, but it's meant to make a community out of the people who live on campus, which is exactly what I needed because being from Texas and never visiting New York City, I definitely wanted to have a group of people that I could meet that I knew would be in kind of a similar position as me, or at least living in the same areas of me in this big city so that I could feel somewhat at ease. Literally knowing no one, RHA was the club that gave me a community from the start. And that's why today I'm currently an e-board member of that club. So just like in high school, you know how clubs had officers, organizations on campus and college have e-boards or executive boards. I'm the director of communications for RHA because I want to extend the same opportunities that it gave me, having friends from the first day of college and in the weeks of welcome before school even started, really, when it was just syllabus week. That's something everyone should have an opportunity to be a part of. So if you want to join RHA, definitely follow the Instagram and go to their meetings on campus, whether they're virtual or in person. The second club I ended up joining on campus was the Political Science Society, or PSS for short. Now, the reason I joined this club is because I'm a double major in political science and journalism, which means I'm addicted to politics. Okay, maybe I'm not addicted to politics, but pretty close. The Political Science Society is a nonpartisan group on campus that allows both sides, or whatever political affiliation you have, to share your opinion and get involved in local, state, and national politics. So being in speech and debate in high school, the Political Science Society was like a no-brainer for me. And actually, a lot of the students who ended up joining, or at least attending a few of the meetings, were students who were interested in politics for the first time. Pace University is a very politically active campus with a lot of social movement and a lot of awareness of what's going on in the world as it relates to politics. So the PSS is another great club for you guys to join, even if you don't consider yourself a political buff like me. But Pace University has a lot of clubs and organizations on campus, over 100 in fact. From things like the Pace Music Group, which is about music and has literally everything related to music, from insiders in the industry to people who just like to sing and perform. Urban Sound, people who love to dance. There's even cultural organizations like a Black Student Union and Sabor Latino, which are also great for students who are looking to find cultural communities on campus. Other organizations like Her Campus and the Criminal Justice Society offer a wide variety of clubs for students to join. I think there's even a club on campus dedicated solely for Super Smash Bros. Tournaments. There's literally nothing you can't find at this university that you don't want to be a part of. And if, by any chance, you do, you can start that club yourself. With just around 6 to 8 friends, you can start any club on campus that you'd like, within reason. All you need is those 6 to 8 friends, a concrete idea, and go over to SEDACA, which is our office that handles all the clubs on campus. SEDACA, or the Student Development and Campus Activities, is the overseeing organization over all other clubs and orgs. So that's where you'd go to get started. Fill out the right paperwork, get a meeting time, and a room where you can consistently have meetings and host events, along with a budget and advertising for your club on campus. SEDACA is a great place for anyone looking to find more clubs that they want to be interested in, or a good spot for you to start when you're looking to start your own club on campus. Me personally, I know I'm definitely looking to get involved with more clubs on campus, because even though I love the Residence Hall Association and the Political Science Society, I really want to branch out and see if maybe I can give the Pace Music Group a try, or the Pace Board, which is a club that hosts all kinds of events with high-profile figures on campus. Most recently, David Dobrik was in the Schimmel Theater giving us a Q&A and then having us all bomb rush the stage as he took that classic video of him at a college campus. If you guys have any questions about student organizations and clubs on campus, make sure to comment down below which one sounded interesting to you in this video. If you found any of the student organizations or clubs in this video interesting, make sure to comment them down below so I can give you more information about them. Or if you're thinking about starting another club on campus and want to see if other people are interested, make sure to use Pacebound Online, where I'm a student ambassador and our team will assist you in finding groups of people with the same interests. Thanks guys for watching another New York City Welcome Center video. I'm tour guide Jeremiah, and I'll see you in the next one.